Okay, back check. This bell, I don't know what you call this thing. Bell seat bag. This Velcro strap, if it's not really secure, will fall down. And when you jump a curb or two and fall on the tire. So it happened twice, so I mashed it down real good, I guess. I'm gonna go jump a curb and see. What else? What else? I inspected the front hub. It was pretty good grease in there from the factory, but it was sitting at the top, like at the dust cap. So I put it down in, took a screwdriver and pushed it all down in the bearings. And did that. Put it back together. Pretty good. Works very good. Same thing with this. There was less in a Walmart bike. Go figure. Huh? Let's not blame Walmart. Let's blame Roadmaster. Let's not blame Walmart. But there was less oil, grease in there, so I had to put some extra in there and reducer. This is a, I don't know if I covered it, Blackburn. Two double A's. I like it, it's pretty good. What else? Oh, I bought a Bell gel seat pad for the old Diamondback. They say your ace will adjust to it. My ace is not adjusting to it, so I like this Bell instead of Huffy. Bell and Huffy, only the most quality parts available. I do like the seat though. Maybe if I put it on an adult bike instead of a kid's bike. I'm gonna install this and go for a ride. It's cold. It's a cold one out there. So bundle up. I was supposed to be a Groundhog's Day reference, but you know how it goes. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. Alright, we installed the gels pad and we tightened it around the Bell seat bag. So that should solve it falling down. I'm gonna have to cut this. I don't like that there, but see how it goes.